Are you looking for a healthy and delicious snack? Look no further than pumpkin seeds. These tiny powerhouses are packed with nutrients and have been used for centuries for their health benefits. In this video, we will reveal the secret superfood that is pumpkin seeds and how they can change your life and revolutionize your health. High in nutrients, pumpkin seeds are a rich source of vitamins and minerals, including zinc, magnesium, potassium, and iron. They also contain antioxidants, fiber, and protein. These nutrients are essential for a healthy body and can help prevent disease. Boosts immune system. The zinc content in pumpkin seeds is particularly beneficial for the immune system. Zinc helps the body fight off infections and viruses, making it an important nutrient for staying healthy. Supports heart health. Pumpkin seeds are rich in healthy fats, including omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which can help improve heart health. They also contain phytosterols, which can lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Promotes prostate health. Pumpkin seeds are also known for their ability to promote prostate health. They contain compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the prostate gland, which can help prevent prostate cancer. Improves sleep quality. Pumpkin seeds contain an amino acid called tryptophan, which can help improve sleep quality. Tryptophan is converted into serotonin, which helps regulate sleep and mood. Reduces inflammation. The antioxidants in pumpkin seeds can help reduce inflammation in the body, which can lead to a variety of health problems. By reducing inflammation, pumpkin seeds can help prevent chronic diseases such as arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. Boosts energy. Pumpkin seeds are a great source of energy thanks to their high protein and healthy fat content. They can help provide sustained energy throughout the day and can be a great snack for athletes and people with active lifestyles. Helps with weight loss. Pumpkin seeds are low in calories but high in nutrients, making them an excellent snack for weight loss. They can help keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing the need for unhealthy snacking. In conclusion, pumpkin seeds are a superfood that can have a big impact on your health. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, improve heart health, or promote prostate health, pumpkin seeds have you covered. So why not add them to your diet today and see the amazing benefits for yourself?